All right, this is gonna be cool because today we're heading up to Azusa and we're gonna be checking out an Evo 5. Evo 10 owner, Evo 8 owner, and then Evo 5 owner over there. Where's the Evo?
Wow, it's not here yet.
Oh, we traded in for GTR.
Yeah, so I can't even log in. Fuck, you're vlogging today? Oh my god.
See, Zach, you should get an Evo over an E46. Oh.
No chance.
Maybe one day I'll have 3 guys shooting my car all at once. Oh my. Are you gonna end up getting one of these ever?
Yeah, it's gonna be in one of my collections.
Really?
Yeah, that and that Evo X over there.
No, it's not. You're lying now. I can't imagine you buying a 10.
No, not a 10. I'll probably do a 7.
Will you really though? A 7's the same as your 8.
Not really.
Yeah?
A little different.
Same chassis, isn't it?
No. I like the hood. The front end's pretty nice.
All right, but have you ever seen an Evo like that one?
Not this week. No.
I could definitely appreciate this, man, big time. Yes, that's pretty awesome.
Got pulled over. You would have got just the no front license plate.
Maybe. I would have rather got that than whatever he might have gotten.
Yeah.
All right, so we were driving on a back road. I don't even know what road we made a turn on, but cop thankfully didn't pull either of us over. We weren't going too fast, but
No, we were going. No, I mean we were really going like 50.
yeah. Apparently the Evo 5
was behind us, behind the Durango.
I
really
Got pulled over.
It's the fallen brother.
Yo. I think they said something on the walkie.
Oh no!
Bro.
What happened?
Oh man, we'll find out.
That same cop drove by us. That's it though?
Huh?
No front plate, that was it?
That's it.
Thank God.
That's it? Yeah. The guy literally turned around and like...
Dude, he hit his brakes when I drove by him. I thought he was gonna get me.
Oh yeah?
Was he like all cool though? Like,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Thank God though, that's all you
I have a
got.
lot of stuff that I can cite you for, but we don't want to do that. It's a pretty cool car, you know, all that stuff. So just make sure like no racing or something like that.
Thank God. Alright bro, but like actually that car looks insane right now.
That car does look insane.
Like Jesus Christ.
Fire!
Alright, truck is here. Yeah, so we're actually going to be shooting rollers now.
Damn, that bacon is thick, just like these guys.